In a provincial Russian town, the Karamazov family is a whirlwind of passion, greed, and the spiritual crisis. The patriarch, Fyodor Pavlovich Karamazov, is a vulgar and wealthy landowner, a man who has neglected his 3 sons in favor of his own debauchery. His sons could not be more different. Dmitri, the eldest, is a soldier driven by impulse and a fierce sense of honor, entangled in a bitter dispute with his father over his inheritance. Ivan, the middle son, is a brilliant intellectual, tormented by the philosophical questions of God, free will, and immorality. His famous proposition, "If God does not exist, everything is permitted," haunts the narrative. The youngest, Alexei, or Alyosha, is a gentle soul, a novice in a local monastery, seeking spiritual purity in a world of sin. The conflict escalates when both Fyodor and his son Dmitri fall for the same woman, the enigmatic and the beautiful Grushenka. The rivalry, fueled by money and the desire, creates a tense and the explosive atmosphere. One night, the simmering hatred boils over. Fyodor Karamazov is found murdered in his home. Suspicion immediately falls upon the hot-tempered Dmitri, who was seen near the house, desperate for money and publicly threatening his father. He is arrested and put on trial for patricida. The trial becomes a spectacle, exposing the dark undercurrents of the family and the society. While Dmitri faces his accusers, Ivan is consumed by guilt, believing his philosophical ideas may have inspired the true killer. Alyosha, caught between his brother's turmoil and his own faith, tries to offer solace and find a path to redemption. The story delves deep into the human heart, questioning the nature of good and the evil, the burden of sin, and the possibility of forgiveness in a world where faith and doubt collide.